Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about engineers in Jamaica, local engineers. Now Jamaica has a shortage of engineers. The same issues that you would find in say with teachers. So many teachers are leaving because they can get a better salary elsewhere. The same thing happens with engineers. They can get a better salary elsewhere, so they leave. So Jamaica needs more engineers. And when you talk about, I'm going to quote something now. Minister Hill emphasized the importance of engineers in modern infrastructure development and the built environment. Now, that is one of the problems facing Jamaica. Jamaica is doing so many developments, yet foreign companies are coming in to do the work because one of the reasons is the local engineers, they just don't have enough. Now, just to give you an example, compared to Europe, Germany, and many other developed countries across the world, we would need to be producing roughly 9,000 graduates per year, and we are currently producing about 450. So that goes to show you the shortage of engineers in Jamaica. Now, when a company like China Harbour Engineering Company comes to Jamaica, they bring with them everybody. They bring their equipment, they bring their engineers. That's one of the reasons why they can get the job done, basically. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what the government is trying to do re engineers. Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Senator the Honorable Auburn Hill, is charging local engineers to lead the way in bolstering the cohort of professionals across the island. He made the call while addressing the opening of the Jamaica Institute of Engineers Engineering Week Conference and Expo at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in New Kingston. Minister Hill emphasized the importance of engineering in modern infrastructure development and the built environment. It creates linkages that will continue to drive economic growth, enhance the country's technical skills, facilitate exports, and improve the standard of living for many Jamaicans, he said. He noted the need for a robust engineering workforce that will position Jamaica as a regional economic leader. If we're going to get to the place where we want to be the leading economy in the Caribbean and in Latin America, we're going to need a lot more engineers, he asserted. We're all aware of the commitment of Prime Minister Holness to the science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STEM subjects. He's going to spend a lot more money on STEM, and we have to if we're going to get to 3,000 registered engineers, which is what we want, he added. President of the JIE, O'Neill Josephs, echoed Minister Hill's sentiments, emphasizing the pressing need to increase the output of engineering graduates to align with global standards. Compared to Europe, Germany, and many other developed countries across the world, we would need to be producing roughly 9,000 graduates per year, and we're currently producing about 450, he pointed out. Meanwhile, Chairman of the Professional Engineering Registration Board, Glaister Ricketts, spoke about the legal requirements surrounding the engineering practice in Jamaica, emphasizing the importance of proper registration. It is illegal to carry on the practice of engineering in Jamaica unless you are a registered engineer. Our commitments to achieving international recognition remain steadfast, he said. The JIE Engineers Week Conference and Expo serves as a platform to catalyze collaboration among stakeholders to drive innovation, capacity building, and regulatory compliance within the engineering sector, ultimately advancing Jamaica's engineering landscape on a global scale. So that's the end of the update article. Alright, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.